motivation to get things done? Here is why that's a big mistake. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am Shivdas. We all have been told that motivation is key to success, but in reality it's unreliable. Today I am going to show you what actually works. Discipline is the key to real success. By the end of this video, you will understand why. I am going to be honest. While researching this video, I learned powerful insights about why discipline beats motivation every single time. It's time to grab a pen and paper. Why motivation is unreliable. Motivation feels great at that moment, but it's inconsistent. One day you are pumped to hit the gym or work on your goals, but the next day you might feel completely unmotivated. Relying on motivation means your action depends on your mood or emotional state, which can fluctuate. That's why so many people start projects or routines with enthusiasm but quit as soon as initial excitement fades. In short, motivation is like a fuel tank that runs empty fast. Example, the New Year's resolution trap. Every year, millions of people set New Year resolutions, usually fueled by bursts of motivation. Research shows that 80% of people fail by February. A perfect example is fitness resolutions. People buy gym membership in January, but the enthusiasm quickly fades. Gym says attendance drops drastically after a few weeks. This proves that motivation alone isn't enough to succeed long-term games. The role of discipline and habits. Unlike motivation, discipline and habits are reliable. Discipline is about doing the work, even you don't feel like it. It doesn't care your mood, your mindset, or else you are feeling tired. In contrast, it only cares about your planned system. Building good habits automates your behavior over time. When something becomes a habit, you no longer have to rely on willpower or motivation to do it. It becomes a part of your daily routine. For example, brushing your teeth every morning doesn't require motivation. It's just something you do daily. The same principle can apply to working on your goals. Example, Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest basketball player of all time, wasn't rely on motivation to train. He was famous for waking up at 4 a.m. to practice every single day, even when he didn't feel like it. His discipline becomes legendary, and he made it clear that success wasn't about being motivated. It was about showing up and doing the work, day in or day out, until it becomes second nature. How to build systems that makes motivation unnecessary. The secret to success is creating the system that allows you to progress towards your goal without needing bursts of motivation. Systems are repeatable actions or routines that makes the process automatic. For instance, if you want to get fit, create a workout schedule that is easy to stick with, like exercising at same time every single day. Set reminders, track process, and make small tweaks along the way. By having a system in place, you ensure that you are moving consistently forward, regardless of how you feel on any given day. Example, Jerry Seinfeld's Don't Break the Chain method. Comedian Jerry Fields created a simple system to write new jokes every day. His goals doesn't want to rely on feeling inspired or motivated. Instead, he marked calendar every day. He wrote, creating an unbroken chain of X marks. His system was simple. Don't break the chain. This method forced him to stay consistent and ensures progress without waiting for creative sparks. I will make specific video for building system. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, emphasizes systems are more important than goals. In his own life, he used a system to build a successful writing habits. Rather than aiming to write a best-selling book right away, he focused on writing 2 articles a week for every single year. Eventually, the system helped him to develop the material that become atomic habits. His success was built on consistent effort, not burst of motivation. I challenge you to complete the one task that you have been putting off because you are waiting to feel motivated instead of disciplined. Take this advice as a denotion of your change. In a nutshell, motivation might get you started for a day, but discipline keeps you going every single day. If you are looking for more self-improvement content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you in the next video. I will leave you with this powerful quote: discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment.